Okay, here's a normal distribution, and we've got a mean of 100, and we've got a standard deviation of 15. So all the information about the normal distribution is given, and we've got one find a probability question, so that will be forwards, and then on the other one we have got a given probability, so we'll be working backwards. So for the forwards one, you obviously need a proper picture. We've got a mean of 100, we've got a value of 91, we need to find the z value associated with that, so you standardize. The standardization formula from the previous question is here, and we want the probability of being on that side of the z value. So you can see that you've got a negative z value, so what you'll need to do is think about the flipped diagram. So the table will give you a positive z value, and when you look up probabilities on the main table on page 18 of the formula book, you will get this probability here of being less than that value. So you can see that to find the probability you want, which is equal to this bit here, you'll have to do a subtraction from 1. Okay. Then we've got to find the value of k when the probability of being at least 100 plus k equals this. In other words, we need to work from a probability of being a value or more. So there's this 100 as the mean, there's a value of 100 plus k, so something above the mean, and we want to have an IQ of at least that, so we want to be in this bit here. Now we want this probability to be this figure here. Now because they've given it 4 significant figures, we're going to use the main table on page 18, but that works with probabilities of more than a half. So this probability here of being the other side, I need to do a subtraction from 1. I'll get this p-value here, 0.79 something. Okay, I'll look that up, and that will give me a positive z-score, which is exactly the z I want. So once I've got my z-score, okay, I can use my standardization formula. I've got for this question, I've known the mean sigma and the standard deviation. Sorry, the mean mu and the standard deviation sigma I've known from the beginning. So I've got these two values. Now I've looked up my z value from the table. I can work from this formula to find x, and I'm done.